Hey guys, and welcome back to Mr.ChoKolate Car Audio YouTube channel. In today's episode, this one's gonna be one for the books. I'm bringing along to the Base Wars World Finals for an exclusive demo and a head-to-head demo wars battle featuring a beastly setup with 12 Resilient Sounds Platinum 15s. This windy build is throwing down some intense bass with hair trick after hair trick. I got every crazy moment as the bass shakes everything in its path. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Let's go!
You gotta feel that heat.
Put it in the fake smack. My pick longer than a murder trial. Won't turn my back to my friends. No pick me's our little themes. If I'm with you, don't you doubt.
You making folks tap out too fast.
Hey, you see, he got more money than me. Clean white hair.
Dang! Alright, good. What's in here, man?
12 15-inch platinums on 2 American based 15Ds.
Sheesh, monster.
It's not very loud, is it, Bella? Not too bad.
You want some more? You want another one? Oh shit, you want another demo?
Do the song you did to me is last time you recorded. When you put my head.
Got a big leather suitcase. All I own's inside. Seems I've been walking for days. Ain't even bomb around. We got nothing but time. As long as you're out here next to me, everything's gonna be alright. If it's meant to be, it'll be.
I don't mean to be so uptight.
Man, your hair looks so red. Alright, you're trying to be gone. She was loud. Your ears might be ringing. I'm gonna leave the door open. I don't even want this. Try, you made us, so get in there.
Right,
Here's your waters.
right, don't know.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, that's a
Alright,
good
bro.
one.
I get to you too.
This ain't picture no more. That's funny.
About to blow my shit.
We said we would. Pack your bags in that old 4Runner that I bought you. Yeah, where'd you gone? Goodbye. I heard you found yourself a brand new man. Put a rock on your finger and you found you a second chance. Built a house right by the cold sand ocean. It was bitch blowing up my cell. Broken hearted, I don't care. I fuck bitches by the pair. They say he ain't playing first.
Damn, that motherfucker hits. Holy shit. Hey, drink that a little bit of it.
Lean a little more.
God damn.
Put your head in the seal. Bro, your body feels like this. Hold yourself still.
Oh, it don't matter where you're gonna sit at in that thing. It's. God damn.
We said it all. You told me that you wish I was so happy. Baby, something's telling me this ain't no friend. No way it wasn't last night. No way it wasn't last night. No way it wasn't last night. We break up.
Sick. Sick.
We ain't listening to music off of. You ain't listening to it off YouTube on that? No.
This thing is nasty,
It
dog.
is fucking hellified.
I'm gonna give you the beans.
How long did it take you to build this thing?
4 months. It's full steel cage.
Oh my god.
From here all the way to the back on the roof, and from here all the way back on the bottom.
Daddy, I'm gonna go again.
Go see if he'll let you sit down. It probably ain't gonna hit like this though. I don't know what he's got now, but I don't think it's gonna hit.
It's I don't know about now. It's got crazy. I was on SPS with Dorsey.
Huh?
I was on SPS with Dorsey.
Oh, for real?
Sounds really good, man. Yeah.
Dog, dog. Oh, okay,
I had the
yeah.
Avalanche.
Dog, it's been years. Dang.
Yeah.
Dang.
2019.
Wait, what else? Dog? Well, this is crazy.
Appreciate the skills. Act like you don't wanna see how much of this jack.
All around you, so the wind is the turbines like whiplashing back and forth.
It'll rip you apart, bro.
Dog, what ratio is this?
It's close to a 4-to-1. It's
Okay.
1.75 cubes per sub.
Okay.
Shared chamber. 6 subs per amp, 0.67 each. And like I said, it clamps right at 14K each amp.
Oh my gosh. Have to rise. Are you rising kind of high?
1.4.
Okay, it's not too bad. Golly. Yeah, man.
That's killing.
Dog, I love it, man.
Appreciate it.
I love it.
Gee whiz. Appreciate that, gentleman.
Not a problem.
Daddy, let me go one more.
One more. Boy, that was something, wasn't it?
Try not to close my ears.
Right.
I told you to blow snot at you.
I covered it for a second. You told me to take it.
Alright, versus Ho. Randall goes first, TJ second. This is our final round. This is going to be the big boys.
I am ready. He said you can. Randall. Down, down. Oh, well. Down, down. Mama, take this badge off of me. I could use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. And right now, I'm knocking on a heaven's door, boy. Knocking on a heaven's door. Knocking on a heaven's door, boy. Knocking on a heaven's door. I said I gotta put my guns to the ground, yeah. I can't shoot them anymore. No. You see the long black cloud is coming. Just around. Walked into the room. There was voodoo in the vibes. I was captured by your style, but I could not get you right. Now I stand here helplessly, hoping you'll get into me. I am so into you, I can't think of nothing else. I am so into you, I can't think of nothing else. Thinking how it's gonna be whenever I get you next to me. It's gonna be good, don't you know? When you get to I love you all over and over.
A lot of money and time tied up in these two systems. So judges, y'all want to come up here, put your vote in. Yeah, the red one's the far one, and this is the blue one. This is for the 20 belt to the winner.
All right.
Keep y'all in. All right, Randall Ritchie.
Okay.
DJ, you come up here and get your second clap. Like I said, let me get a picture.
Yeah.
Red, got it.
Congratulations, man.
Now I'm retired.
That'll do it. Put it over your shoulder. There you
How many
go.
times have you heard
Yeah.
you're retiring?
Well, I always said
And
if I
then
beat
another bill
TJ, I'm
comes?
out, so I'm done. Well,
There we
I should
go.
do like this because you know me and JP are not on good talking terms. No, I'm not good.
All right, TJ,
I'm not gonna do that.
y'all get a picture together. I need y'all to kiss each other too.
That's gonna be a tough one. You want tongue or no tongue?
Wet or dry?
You are no.
All right, guys.
Appreciate
Congrats.
it, man. I appreciate y'all coming out and getting this guy to come out to anything. To me, it's hard because he thinks he's like Scotty Johnson way up here and we're down here. You know what I'm saying?
I'm way down.
You gotta feel that heat, and we can